Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the April edition of Glossybox. So if you already know everything there is to know about this box, then I will leave a timestamp down below in the comments so that you can skip straight ahead to the items, and if that's the case, I'll see you on the other side. But if you don't know what Glossybox is, then I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will also leave all of the detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So basically, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription service. It costs £10 per month plus £3.95 postage and packaging, and that's on a 1 month rolling subscription. But you can take out longer lengths of subscription and that can actually bring the cost of your box down. So for instance, I've taken out a 12-month subscription, and that means that my boxes cost me £8.50 a month plus the £3.95 postage and packaging. You normally get 5 items every month, and they range from makeup, skincare, hair care, and the sizes range anywhere from deluxe minis all the way up to full size. So you get a good mix and you can get some decent sized items in this box as well. So I've been having this box for about a year now and I've quite enjoyed having this subscription. I'm going to continue. So let's have a look and see what we've got this month. So pop the lid off. Inside we've got a little card, and then the items are tucked away underneath all of this tissue paper, tied up with a nice little ribbon. So we'll get into that in a moment. But first of all, this card just tells us everything we need to know about the items inside, tells us the RRPs, a little bit about the products, and on the back there's usually a sneak peek for a product that is in next month's box. This month is no exception, so if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, then again I will leave timestamps in the comments box down below, so pause here, go and have a look, and you can skip ahead. But if you do want to know what the May sneak peek is, then I will let you know now. So my sneak peek is a eyeshadow palette from Steve Laurent apparently. So it says it boasts 9 stunning hues in matte and shimmery finishes that can be used to create an array of feisty eye looks. That sounds nice, but looking at the picture I don't think it's going to be for me. It's looking quite neutral, and I don't really need neutral, but that's for me to worry about next month. I just think this card's really cute. Isn't that really pretty with all the flowers on it? So this edit is obviously called the Blossom edit, so we'll also be referring to this as we go through the items in the box. And just quickly before we get into the box, we're just going to have a little look at what the edit is about. There's a little sort of note at the top of the card that tells us. So it says, "Hey Glossies, spring is finally here and we're celebrating this season of change by breathing new life into your beauty routine. Filled with 5 awakening and nourishing products, our Blossom edit includes all of the essentials you need to bloom into a beautiful flower this April. Expect skincare that is budding with floral scents, lip care that is bursting with botanical goodness, and pastel coloured cosmetics that perfectly complement this season's latest trends." So yeah, that sounds quite nice. Quite keen to see what we've actually got, so let's get into it. Just gonna open this up. Oh, something smells nice. Something smells very familiar. Yeah, I can already see what that is. Okay, so we might as well start with that then. So the thing that I can smell and smells really familiar is this. So it's from Rituals, and it's the Ritual of Sakura. And this is the Softening Rice Scrub. Oh, I haven't tried this. Ooh, that's exciting. So I've got a few products from the Sakura range. I really quite like the smell. It smells quite delicate and floral and just reminds me of spring. So I finished a body cream last month and I'm currently using a little tube of the same one. I do quite enjoy it. So So yeah, so that sounds really nice, but I've never tried the rice scrub. So let's see what the card says. So the shower scrub is worth, okay, so this is a deluxe mini worth £4.60. A full size version of this would cost £9.90 for 150ml. This is only 70ml. Boasting a gorgeous cherry blossom scent, this 2-in-1 cleansing and exfoliating scrub is a treat for your body and your senses. Its luscious formula blends volcanic scrub particles with nourishing rice milk to leave skin feeling soft and supple. Once a week, massage it onto damp skin using circular movements until it transforms into a soft shower cream, then wash off. That sounds gorgeous. Really pleased with that one, so that's a really good first item for this box. So next I'm going to pull out what I know was the sneak peek from last month, and it's from Avant. So this is the Rose Papaya Vitamin B5 Age Nutri Revive. So it's a gentle rose beautifying face exfoliant basically. And I know this is ridiculously expensive. I think they said it was worth £100. Let's have a look. Well, not quite, 92. So the RRP on this then is £92, and it says this exfoliator's luscious formula and relaxing scent will smooth your skin and soothe your mind. It harnesses the many benefits of hydrating and antioxidant rich rose extract, as well as softening and smoothing vitamin B5. Together, these ingredients calm irritations, improve the appearance of wrinkles, and deeply hydrate your complexion. Gently massage the exfoliant into clean skin using circular movements, then rinse with warm water. So that does sound quite nice actually, and it says it's got rose in. I wonder if I can have a bit of a, oh, it's got a little foil thing on, but we'll open it. Just pop a little bit out onto there. So that's what it looks like there, and I can already see it's got little particles in. Doesn't feel very vigorous, feels quite delicate, but yeah, I'd be willing to give that a go. Feels quite nice, and it does smell of rose though, so if you don't like scents or you don't like a rose scent, this is not going to be for you, but I quite enjoy that. So that seems quite nice, definitely going to give that a go. Next we've got a nail polish from Nails Inc. Looks very pretty pink colour. It's in the shade Blossom Kisses. So the RRP on this then is £11, and it says, welcome in the spring with this soft pink nail polish. A delicate pastel hue with cool undertones. It's the perfect on-trend hue for this new season. Better yet, its formula lasts up to 10 days and its wide brush makes it really easy to achieve a professional looking manicure. Apply a base coat, then 2 coats of your Blossom Kisses and finish with a top coat. So I highly doubt that this is going to last me 10 days. No polish ever lasts me more than 2 maximum. I do a lot with my hands, even though I'm not at work at the moment. I'm still doing a lot of cleaning, washing up, playing with a toddler. At the moment we're playing a lot in the garden, doing a lot of digging. Nothing's going to last me more than 2 days. So 10 days is a bit ambitious. But even when I am at work, I do quite a lot with my hands. So nail polishes don't last that long. They just don't. So I never believe those claims, but I'll definitely be willing to give this a go and see. And the colour actually does look quite pretty, so I'm quite keen to try that. So next we've got this, so it's from Hask, and it's the Argan Oil from Morocco, and it's a repairing deep conditioner, so it's a hair conditioner. Strengthens, restores and smooths dry damaged hair. I actually quite like argan oil, so I'm quite keen to try this. And I really do actually like the brand Hask. I've tried a few products from them now, and I've quite enjoyed them, so quite excited to try this one. The RRP on this is £2.49. Let your hair blossom with new life thanks to these deeply conditioning treatments. Whichever conditioner you... Okay, so there were several conditioners that you could have had. I can't see what they all were, but one says it's rose oil and peach. But I'm quite happy to have this one anyway, so that's fine, it doesn't matter. Whichever conditioner you receive, you can be sure that it is full of natural goodness that will infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished, shiny tresses. Simply massage a generous amount onto your clean, wet locks, focus on damaged areas, leave it to work its magic for 10 minutes, then rinse. So yeah, as I said, I like the brand, I've enjoyed what I've used before, I'm keen to try this one. I'm throwing it on the floor. And the last product that we've got is from a brand that I've heard of but I've never tried anything from. So it's from Sport FX, and this is a raspberry and rhubarb recovery lip balm with an SPF of 15 in it, so that's quite handy. Current time of year, it's quite sunny. I know we can't go out a lot, but we do actually have a garden. We're spending quite a lot of time in it with us having the little one, so that's quite useful. Let's just open it up and have a look. I'm quite liking the idea of raspberry and rhubarb as well. I quite like that flavour and that scent. So, oh, that's interesting. That's what it looks like in its little tube pot. My lid's actually a little bit cracked already, so that's a bit disturbing. I don't hold out much hope that that's going to last very long. Not in my hands anyway. Well, it does smell a bit like... It's not strong, it's not really overpowering, but it does, you can smell it's a little bit fruity. I quite like that. I don't know if that's going to come off in that colour. Let's just... No, doesn't really leave too much of a colour. You can see a little bit there, it's gone a little bit pinky on my hand, but on your lips you're not really going to notice that. It looks like there was one of two that you could have received for these, and the other one was a coconut one. I'm actually quite glad I've got this one, so that makes me very happy. The RRP on this is £4.99. These lip balms are not only bursting with shea butter, natural oils and vitamins, but are infused with SPF to protect, hydrate and nourish your pout. Better yet, whether you receive the moisturising coconut scent or the sumptuous raspberry and rhubarb fragrance, your balm will smell good enough to eat. Simply apply as required to achieve soft, silky lips. So yeah, as I said, willing to give it a go. Quite happy that I've got this one and not the coconut one. So yeah, quite nice. And that was the last of the items. So quick recap, we've got the Rituals scrub, we've got the Avant exfoliator, we've got the Hask conditioner, and we've got the Sport FX lip balm. So overall, not overwhelmed with this box, but I do like the items in here. So nothing in here is sort of making me sort of get excited about anything in particular. I know I'm going to enjoy this, so I like that this is in here, but it's nothing that I'm going to sort of, you know, jump for joy over. But it's really nice to have. I'm really happy that that is in here. The Avant product obviously is quite expensive, so it's a nice little thing to have in here. But I do feel like we've got two quite similar products going on here. So we've got one for the body and one for the face obviously, but we've still got two exfoliators going on. So not sure how I feel about that. It's cohesive, I'll give it that. You know, you've got, like I said, you've got one for the face, one for the body, but am I thrilled that I've got 2 exfoliators? Not really. I'm happy to have this, you know, the hair conditioner, really nice. I know I'm going to get some use out of it. Nail polish, I've probably got a few pinky shades, so how much use I'm going to get out of this, I don't know, but it's pretty and I'm definitely going to give it a try. And then obviously we've got the lip balm, useful, but again, is it something that I'm going to get super excited about? No. So it's a nice box, it's just not wowing me as much as I would like it to, but that's just personal preference. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a box that you have? What do you think of this month's box? If you don't have this box, is this a box that would tempt you? I know nobody's really buying anything new right now, but maybe when things get sort of more back on an even keel, is this a box that you would consider purchasing based on the contents of this one? Let me know your thoughts and feelings in the comments box down below. I'm always interested to hear what other people have to say. And that's it from me then, guys. So as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please try to stay safe and healthy and stay home if you can, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.